Alright, so these Viking bags, the Outlaws Viking bags, they are retailing for $199. They work on models for Vulcan S, anyway from 2015 all the way to 2024. I love them. I love the material. Made out of leather and aluminum. It can hold up enough stuff for a little road trip. Alright, so these are pretty easy to install. About 5-minute job. 3 screws. You just remove the side piece and it's easy to mount. Again, the dimensions are 12.5 by 6. The opening lid is right here. It's not too big as well. 610 cubic inches, all you need for your short trip. All right. Another lovely feature about these are water resistant, right? They have the leather, the stitches here. So everything here is safe. They got this detachable pouch. You can put your paperwork in. Wallet, I usually put tools, small things, water bottle, my caliber lock. Also, with these, they come in with the inside lockable anti-theft key. So you lock it this way, clockwise, boom. Now you cannot remove it anymore. My favorite feature about these Viking bags are how easy it is to remove. It detaches that easily, and then you can attach it back in the same way. Pretty easy to install. There you go, ready to rock.